What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are gonna do something very special, and that is we're gonna repair the Montero Sport for wrap, but I'm not a rapper. Well, you guys asked for more.
Holy moly!
So then I'm giving you more.
Holy moly!
So the plan for today is just to take off everything from the bumper, the guard thing is here, the bumper, the side skirts, everything, so I could fix the broken bolts that I have on the frame. I think it has top one there, the bottom one there, top one there, the bottom one there, and then I think like one of these inside that holds the headlights is broken. But all of that is only for this. That is the wrap for Zedmo. As you can see right here, the Montero needs some rust. This thing is rusting, so I'm gonna coat this crash bar right here so it doesn't spread. I'm gonna take these things off, so I'm not gonna put the crash bar just yet until everything is settled, and then maybe I'll put it back on. See, it has a bolt inside of this, so that's what I'm going to fix. So the idea behind it is to take stuff like this and just protect it, clean it off, and put it back on the car, because it is a daily. For now, this is going to be just maintenance, just to keep it going. Achieved. So now the panels are nice and fresh. Look at that. There's the treatment. Look there. So now it doesn't come off here. It doesn't come off right there. Nice and tight. And same as here. This one doesn't budge anymore. This one doesn't budge anymore. Nice and tight. That's what I wanted. It's nice and treated. So now I can move on to prep the outside of this and get it ready for wrap. I'm probably not gonna do it now because it's too cold, but now at least it's ready for the exterior prep to get it wrapped. As for the color, I will be going for the same color scheme as my G35. If you don't know what it is, I'll link it in the description or in the corners right there so you can see it. It's gonna be the same idea on this, so it could be little brother and big brother.